We know how to make a simple function. But what if we want to insert variables or values into the function? We use arguments. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add arguments into a function. But first, let's add another variable. Let's name it int2. Let's set value to 2. Then, to add an argument, type inside the parenthesis of the function that you want to add arguments into. Then type the argument's name. Let's name our argument num1. Then, to use it, just call it by its name. Our name of the variable is num1. So, to use it, just type its name, like this. Let's replace int1 with num1. Now that we have an argument, we need to place something like a valid value inside the parenthesis of the function when we call it. We need to insert a valid value. Let's type int1. Then, let's run the code. It printed out 1 because the value of int1 is 1. If we print out int2 by changing that, we can see that it printed out 2. You don't only need to place variables inside the parentheses. You can also place numbers, like this. You can place 30. Rerun it, then you can see 30. Or you can print strings, like hello. Then rerun it, then you can see hello. To create another argument, just move the cursor right after the first argument, then type comma, then the name of your argument. Let's name our argument num2. Then, when we print it, you can also use num2. So, let's add num1 and num2 together. Now that we have 2 arguments, we need to place 2 valid values inside the parenthesis. We are going to add the 2 arguments, so it should be an integer. Let's put int1, then comma, then int2. Int1 is going to be the num1 and int2 is going to be the num2. Then when we rerun it, it shows a 3. And that is how to make a simple function with arguments.